Introducing the Titan Pro TP800. Sporting a 270cc electric start 4-stroke petrol engine, the TP800 strikes the perfect balance between practicality and usability. At just 95 kilograms, this machine is easy to maneuver. With a maximum width of only 750 millimeters, this chipper is perfect for smaller gardens where access may be limited. With the capability of taking up to 65 millimeter diameter wood, this is the ideal machine for tackling your garden waste. To get the best from the TP800, feed the material in gradually and this economical engine will chip for days. The electric start is twinned with a convenient emergency stop bar, making this super safe and easy to use. With reversible chipping blades and an easy access chipping chamber, this machine is packed with features to make your life easier. As with all Titan Pro machines, we have a knowledgeable workshop team and full parts backup to offer you true customer support. Head to www.titan-pro.co.uk to find details on this and all other products we stock. You can find more information on our Gold PDI service specific to each machine on the machine's product page, along with full details of the Maximus warranty. For any other questions, then please get in contact with our friendly sales team on 01258 489 161.